just a peeling pad, you just need to swipe your skin. And just tap it in. And this product is really glowy and light, so I'm going to apply on this product onto my neck as well, because I don't want to have a dewy looking skin but matte neck, so I want my neck also to be glowy a little bit. It's more natural. This is the product. It's just like a white lotion. I'm going to use only my fingers this time because I think it's more dewy if you use your fingers and more natural. Now I am going to use the sun cream. This one is also from the brand Sim 37 Stanaway Perfect Defense Sunblock. This is my second purchase of this product because I love it so much. It's also like a primer. You can use it as a primer as well, and it doesn't have that strong tone-up effect. It will give a beautiful glow and the texture is so smooth. So I love using it. Okay, so as the next product I'm going to apply on a lip sleeping pack to moisturize my lips well. This is from the brand Missha. I actually really needed to buy lip scrub for my lips, and it was just beside of that, but I already regret my decision because both of the products are horrible. I love some Missha products, but this these lip care products are truly horrible. Both the lip scrub and this lip balm as well. I should have bought the Laneige lip sleeping pack because I got really good reviews about that, and I have no idea why I didn't purchase that one instead of this. Anyways, so now we finished the skincare procedure, and now I'm going to start with the makeup. First I'm going to apply on the concealer. This one is from the brand Laneige. It has a little cushion in the end, although I don't really use that cushion, and there is a spatula inside, so you can apply on this concealer directly. So now I am going to use the foundation. I have this foundation from Missha. The exact name is Missha Cover and Glow Cushion, and the color is Ivory, number 19. This color is not number 19. Compared to other cushion foundations, this is really light, I think, and the color is good for me as well, but it's a little bit too pink, so it's not like the exact shade of my skin. But anyways, this is really an amazing cushion foundation. This is inside. It's just like any other simple cushion foundations, but I love the texture. I love this cushion. When you apply on the foundation, you really need to take care of the side part. Oh, where should I put this? Okay. You really need to take care of the side of your nose. It's really good for the lasting ability, and it's covering the scars really well. So the coverage is good, the texture is good, the lasting ability is good, I think, and it gives this beautiful glow. The only problem I have this cushion foundation is it cannot work well on the pores. If you have like deeper pores, you have to work on it a little bit more. If you use other foundations, more hydrating and more fluent foundations, I think they can cover the pores nicely, but this one will even highlight the pores if you don't work on those. Just you can handle it by not just tapping those areas, but tap and swipe it a little bit and work a little bit more, so it will cover the pores well. The next I'm going to apply on is powder, but I am not going to apply on powder onto the whole face. I just want to set some areas because I want a little bit more dewy makeup. I am going to use Mamont cotton wool loose powder. It doesn't have any colors, it's just white, translucent. And I'm going to apply it on under my eyes and around the nose, around the lips, because in these areas my foundation is moving a little bit more than on other areas. I like pressed powder more, but if you use pressed powder, the finish is more matte. If you use loose powder, the finish is more dewy and more natural. So now I kind of have to use this loose powder. Well, I have eyebrow tattoos, so that's why it became so light after the foundation. Long time ago, this really thin eyebrow was the trendy, so I had thick, strong eyebrows and I was ashamed of that, and I just picked it every single day, and because of that now I don't have eyebrow growing back. I have really small amount of hair in this area, and now I want more natural eyebrow, more thick, and I need more volume. Anyway, I don't have eyebrow now, so I have to draw it, and for that I need to apply on some powder first, so the color will be more detectable and more natural. If you are working on the cushion foundation is more creamy and more wet, so if you are working on that with an eyebrow pencil, for example, it will move so much and it's so unnatural. So you have to apply on powder first. So the next product I'm going to use is a contour product from the brand Missha. This is a cotton contour and it looks like this. It's so simple, the packaging is also so simple, but people love this product. I found really good reviews about this, so I thought I would give it a try. Just on the forehead and on the side of my face and under the jawline, just to give some color to my skin and some shadows, so my face will look a little bit smaller. So in Korea people don't contour their skin like in Europe. So while in Europe you draw like a tree onto your face, so the forehead and under the cheeks and under the jawline, but in Korea it's a little bit different. They want to get V-shapes, so they contour like this, only this area. So if you contour this area, it will create a shadow on your jaw and it will cover it a little bit, so you have more like a V shape. This is the point of the Korean basic makeup, to create a V shape and to give you a smaller looking face. I'm not going to contour my nose that much because I already have a high nose and I think it's quite straight, so I don't really need to fix it. But I'm going to use a little bit on the top. and on the bottom of my nose. Because I want more natural makeup, I will use the same contour under my eyes as well. This is from Aritown. I really like these mono eyes. I think they are really nice product. And this one is Metal Gold G13. And it has a really nice gold shimmer. So now I have a deeper looking eyes, but I want some glitter. I think beside of being natural, a little bit of glitter is a really good decision for an Ulzzang makeup. And I have a Missha Glitter Beam Liner. And the next product I'm going to apply on is from the brand Bobbi Brown, and the name is Espresso Ink Long Wear Gel Eyeliner. This is not waterproof, but water resistant. Yeah. Now I am going to apply on the mascara. This is Gravity from the Face Shop brand. My eyes are done, so the next step is the eyebrow. That is really important for me, even if I just don't do any makeup. I think I'm going to finish my makeup with my baby here. So the next makeup is the blush, and this is the blush. I like this blush because it has highlighter powder in it also, and it has a nice pink color. Actually, when I use this blush, I don't really need to apply on any more highlighter onto my cheeks, because that area already has some shimmer and some highlighter in it, so I don't need to apply more highlighter over here. But I'm going to apply on some highlighter on my nose, and I just what did you find? Okay, so I don't even know this brand. I just bought it when I went to Europe. This is a Makeup Revolution London highlighter palette. This is the back side and this is the front side. And I liked it because it... Oh shh! He just dropped my sunglass. So I liked it because it has three different colors. There is like a gold, pink and purple in it, and they have a nice shimmer. But I'm only going to use the pink and the gold. I will mix them together. With the help of my finger, I will apply it onto my nose. Yeah. You give me a hard time, Dante. I like to apply on the highlighter as well with my finger or with a little bit wet sponge. Oh, only the end of my nose and between my eyes.
He's ruining my makeup.
But that's okay.